Hi YouTube, this is Joe from the Northeastern Native Plant Digest bringing you another video you can use to help our environment 1 yard at a time. So today I wanted to talk about one of my very favorite shrubs in the garden and that is Summersweet, Clethra alnifolia. This particular cultivar is called Ruby Spice. This is a shrub that is typically native to low-lying areas, marshy areas, wetter areas. So this can take some wet in your yard if you got a trouble spot. It can also take a little bit of a drier area, such as the one that I have it planted in now. This is a part shade site. It's not overly wet. It does retain some moisture, but I wouldn't consider this wet by any means. It's been here for about 3 years. It's looking great, it's doing great, and I want to get a close-up of these flowers. So this, like I mentioned, particular cultivar is called Ruby Spice, and it has a very beautiful flower and also very fragrant. I mean, this thing smells amazing. I wish you could get a whiff of that. This is a great plant for pollinators. Bees like it. I haven't seen any butterflies on it, but I have seen a lot of bees pollinating wasps, flies, things like that. This shrub can get to be maybe 6 to 8 feet tall in optimal conditions, maybe 4 to 5 feet wide. Turns a nice, lovely yellow color in the fall, so you can complement that with some other plants that maybe around the base maybe turn a burgundy or a red, so you can get some nice fall contrast. I will say that this is one of the last plants in my garden to leaf out in the spring. First year I had it, I was actually wondering if it had even survived because most of my other plants were all leafed out and this thing was still kind of sitting there looking barren. So I was a little worried, but it'll leaf out. Your patience will be well worth it. This plant in optimal conditions will sucker at the base. I have some suckers here coming up. I don't think you can see them, but you know, just let them sucker, get some roots on them, and then dig them up and transplant them somewhere else in your garden. There are other cultivars on the market. A lot of them have white flowers, but I really prefer this. I just think it's a beautiful shrub. One of my favorite shrubs. This is a shrub I would highly recommend. Plant this next to your porch so that when you're out there and there's a nice summer breeze, you'll get a nice fragrance floating by you. It'll make your summer evenings complete. So I would highly recommend going out and finding one online, finding one at your local nurseries. I've seen a lot of nurseries carrying these plants, these particular shrubs. So go out and get one. You won't regret it. Again, this is Joe from the Northeastern Native Plant Digest. Share and like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and have a great day.